We're back again to tell you about another awesome product. About 10 years ago, when I was wheeling this rig regularly, I decided that I needed some good anchor points on the front of the vehicle. So what I did is I took these steel plates and drilled a bunch of holes in them so I could install these D-ring shackles on the front of the truck. What I found, though, is the way that I did it, only using 2 anchor points or 2 bolt holes, it actually allowed this to shift forward a little bit if somebody was pulling really hard on the D-rings, which was really tweaking my bumper. So for me, these became just cosmetic, kind of a cool look on the front of the truck, but not functional at all. I was really hoping that somebody out there had a solution for this, and what I have found is Engineered Vintage actually makes a shackle or D-ring holder that's very similar to what I had, but instead of having just 2 holes, it actually has 3. Having 3 is great because it doesn't allow it to shift forward or back like mine do. So I'm going to go ahead and install these and see how it turned out. I'll start by removing my old brackets. Now I'll put the Engineered Vintage bracket in place. I'm going to use this bolt that I already had there to hold it up. As you can see, it lines up perfect with the holes that are already in your frame. With those bolts in place, we just tighten it back up. I'd like to point out how these kind of pitch it forward when my old bracket was basically straight up and down. I think it's a little bit nicer look, having it forward a little bit. Now I'll repeat the process for the other side. And finally, install new D-rings. Well, there you have it, another awesome product for these square bodies. Go ahead and do yourself a favor and check out Engineered Vintage. I'm Joe, and this is You Into Garage.